Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So this was the last Pro device from OnePlus, which is OnePlus 10 Pro. But still there are a lot of issues on this device which OnePlus is still not able to fix even after 2.5 years of its launch. This device received a new update which is of August security patch. In this video we'll talk about the new changes, what they have done, and along with that I'll also show you guys what all things OnePlus haven't fixed on this device yet. So first of all, let me show you the software information and the update details. You can see here it's OxygenOS 14.0. The version this device received is .910. As said, it comes with 5th August 2024 security patch. I did not receive the OT update, so I had to manually install. The incremental update size is somewhere around 593 MB for OnePlus 10 Pro. And if you take a look at the changelogs, which are completely related to system. If you guys haven't received the OT update, you can use the OxygenOS updater application. From here you can download the file. You can see I have downloaded the update from here and manually installed. So if you guys are new to this manual installation process, just go to about section, tap on these three dots, select local install. If you don't see local install here, just enable developer options by going to version, tapping on the version number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And one thing which I would like to mention, with the August security patch, the devices which are getting the August security patch, we have seen a lot of improvements in the battery segment. So this device received August security patch yesterday, which is OnePlus 12. I have already made a video. You guys can check it out from the description. And trust me, after the August security patch, not only me, many users are reporting that battery backup have improved a lot. So I'm hoping even OnePlus 10 Pro should deliver a good screen on time. Battery backup and other stuff we'll be covering in a review video. And one place where I noticed OnePlus did improve, I think, and that's in the CPU throttling test. So generally I perform CPU throttling test of 100 thread up to 30 minutes, and this device used to throttle a lot, which is OnePlus 10 Pro, and I've been mentioning in all my videos. But this time after this update, I did not see much of throttling issues. Maximum CPU throttle around 77%, and the average GIPs are also quite good, which is 3,13,000. Later on I also tested out BGMI, thinking that at least they would have fixed the frame drop issues. But still the frame drop do happens. The device delivered average FPS of 71, but if you see the graph here, in between FPS did drop below 50, which you can clearly see in this graph. Multiple times the FPS have been dropped. And if I also talk about the device skin temperature, maximum skin temperature we have seen is somewhere around 48 degrees Celsius, which is quite high. So the gaming thing is still not being fixed by OnePlus on OnePlus 10 Pro. Though this device can easily deliver 90 FPS, but it heats up a lot, and due to which we see a lot of frame drops. And now let's talk about the change logs. There's nothing much in the change logs. You can see the first change log which says improve experience of swiping down on the screen with the 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So personally I did not notice any kind of improvements, or there are no noticeable changes actually, but they might have done some improvements based on the feedback given by community members. After that, they have fixed an issue where the uninstall update button may be unavailable after the app update. Generally, I have not seen people uninstalling the app updates, but this might be an issue on the previous build, which is again taken care by OnePlus. So these are the only changes what they have mentioned in the change logs. But another thing which OnePlus haven't fixed yet, and that's the color shifting, what we get to see in the camera preview if you open the camera application. So here you can see on the screen, this is a screen recording which I did. And there's a lot of color shifting happens in the camera preview. Soon there's slight change in the background colors. This issue is already there from past 2 updates, and I've also mentioned about it. But surprisingly, picture quality is still great on OnePlus 10 Pro. With the primary camera, we get to see sharp details, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range. The images are well exposed, capturing both bright and shadowy areas effectively. The focus is precise with a slight depth of field effect, adding to the visual appeal. Selfie shows good image quality with the strong details and sharpness. The camera also handles the exposure well, even in challenging light conditions like backlighting, but it do mess up sometimes, but most of the time it do provides good images. We also don't see much of color shifting now between 1x and 3.3x. You can take a look at the pictures yourself. So guys, there's nothing much to talk about this update for OnePlus 10 Pro. Stay tuned for my in-depth review video, and before doing an in-depth review, I'll create a community post so that you guys can ask your questions, or you can put up your queries if you have any. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.